Today we're proud to present the prestigious Mentor of the Year Award. This award honors individuals who exemplifies the very essence of mentorship, someone who not only teaches but also empowers and challenges and uplifts those around them.
Our winner tonight has dedicated countless hours to ensuring that their mentees become confident, skilled professionals. Their impact isn't just technical, it's personal. This mentor has cultivated a culture of trust, innovation, and excellence in our industry.
Before we announce our winner, let's take a moment to spotlight the incredible nominees who have made a lasting impact on our industry.
Chris Stevens. Holden Schamberger. Tim DeStasio.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for our winner of our 2025 HVAC Tactical Mentor of the Year is, man, you weren't kidding, this was difficult, jeez. Tim DeStasio. Let's go.
Wow. Thank you. I am incredibly honored here. I got a few things written down here. Give me just a second to try to find them. Let's see here. No, that's my 4 quarters. Always keep them. Here they are. First of all, thank you, Ben, and your team for putting on such an amazing event, the sponsors. This is amazing that we get to celebrate one another and the hard work and sacrifices that we make. I also want to thank my beautiful wife, Danielle. I absolutely could not do this without your support. We're going to be celebrating 20 years this year. So really, the real award should go to her. She puts up with me making videos at 4 a.m. in the attic and shooting weird content without absolutely any context, and she's always the first one to like my videos. But really, I'm inspired by all of you who make a lot of sacrifices. You offer your knowledge, your skill set, even at the cost of your earning potential sometimes. We do most of this for free, don't we? But we do it because we want to build a community, because we want to make this industry better. So I just encourage everyone to just keep building this community that's already got a great foundation. Be a mentor to an apprentice. Make a video. Send me a video to roast. Call out the ones that don't make this industry what we're making it. But be a mentor. Make the sacrifices. Share what you've learned. Ask questions. Post a question and get some of the experts that I've learned so much to weigh in on it. All those little things we can do to make this industry a little bit better, because the skilled trades is something special, isn't it? Yeah. And really, this group right here and the ones that make that sacrifice are going to be the ones that fix this industry. So I just encourage you to never stop learning, Thank you again. I'm humbled and I'm honored. Enjoy the show.